Have Cardano holders. So today very special video because my brother Cardano will and take a very huge jump now, and I am so happy, I am so excited because I am also holder of Cardano. So congratulations first of all everyone to Cardano will pumps up, and definitely they will in upcoming days pumps up and pumps up more and more. So therefore we are very lucky if you are already holders. So congratulations my brothers, to this is completely the proper time, and if you are not this time in the holder, so now go invest. I hope in upcoming time they will more moving upward, and they will give you, our target is 3.5 USD dollars, so I hope they will easily hit now. But this is all just an only depends my friend if you are hold, if you are not starting selling. So therefore I hope this is possible. My brother's Cardano were fails down, and my friends especially I think 2 to 3 days very badly after a very huge jumps. They are already hit now my brothers 3 USD dollar, but my friends they will fail us down to 2.4 US dollar. But the current condition is also going to be very good now again. As you can see my friends, they will jump up, so that's me this to Cardano after a very long time starting moving upwards. So I am so happy, I am so excited to see this, and I hope in upcoming days this is possible to they will more and more moving upward. But if you are hold now, so I hope my brothers my price prediction is going to be right now, and they will more moving upward. But remember my brothers to in those days a lot of coins were very badly fails down. So therefore if Cardano will just and only fails down for short time, so this is does not mean to you are starting selling. You will need to hold and don't see the short fails my brother. A lot of holders do this to them, they were very huge mistake they will do my friends in those days. To when they see my friends, so this is they fails down for a short time, definitely they will sell it and be safe from the loss. But I think you are wrong. If they were fails down for a short time, so this does not mean to they were fails down for lifetime. Absolutely after a short time they will take a very huge jump now. So I hope my brothers my prediction is going to be right now. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos. Please like video and subscribe channel.